Hi, everybody. Deborah Morse with Deborah Morse Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I have the honor of talking to Carmen Prieto with Fairwinds Credit Union again today. What have you come across since the last time we talked, Carmen?
So I'm getting a ton of questions about what's the difference and what are the pros and cons of a conventional mortgage and what is the difference between that and an FHA mortgage or VA.
Sounds good.
Yeah, those are because people are out there trying to figure out which product is best for them, and a mortgage loan officer should be able to help you figure that out and navigate what's going to work best for your situation. I would say some of the pros of a conventional mortgage would be if you're a first-time buyer, 3% down. And then if you have a better credit score, you can qualify for better rates and lower closing costs. Depending on down payment, how much you may or may not need PMI insurance, which is, private mortgage insurance for the house if you're not putting down a full 20%, versus FHA, which is a government-backed loan. It's a strong loan. There's no reason not to do an FHA if you qualify for it. Quick question for you, Deborah. How are you as a listing agent receiving FHA pre-approvals?
Well, see, that's what I was going to end up talking to you about. I have had for our listings, we've had a couple of situations where we've gone from now, of course, I wasn't representing the buyer, but from a conventional and changed over to an FHA loan before closing because the numbers made sense for them. As long as we, as listing agents, know that they will close no matter what, if they have to go back to the conventional or continue with the FHA, I personally don't care. And even when we're considering a different type of different buyers, because we're still in a multiple offer situation, supply and demand situation, we have noticed that, hey, as long as it's a strong offer, there is a lot of ways as a buyer's agent, you can write up a really strong offer to guarantee no matter what type of loan. Now, we have a couple of VA buyers we're working with right now and getting under contract. It is just being aggressive. So I hope that answered your question.
It did. It's good to hear it from a listing agent perspective, because I get borrowers on the phone who are like, but if I do FHA, are they going to take my offer? If I do VA, are they going to take my offer? And I think it's a strong thing to hear that listing agents aren't turning those away because they're fantastic loans and they're government backed.
Well, I'm not saying I'm speaking for all listing agents. I'm just saying what Chuck and I do. We want to be fair, to be able to, no matter what you qualify for, if you know that you're going to do everything you can to be able to close, everybody deserves to get that house. So again, we can continue this conversation, do a part two, because I know that there's a lot of questions that keep coming up. So how do they reach you if they have any questions?
Absolutely. Yeah. You can reach me by phone or text at 407-637-6442 or email me at cprieto@fairwinds.org. And Prieto is spelled Prieto.
Great. And of course, Chuck and I are always here to compare some numbers, answer any questions for you at 321-348-0014. So now it just means you're going to have to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And that way you'll be notified when part two comes out, because we're going to continue this conversation.
Yes,
have a great day. Bye.
Bye.